Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to study from grammar book. Lesson number 5, proper nouns and common nouns. What are proper nouns? A proper noun is the name of a particular person, place, animal or thing. We'll repeat once again. A proper noun is the name of a particular person, place. So any person on this world or any place in this world, any animal and anything, when a particular name is given to them, it is known as proper noun. You can take example of your own self. Your name is a proper noun. The place where you stay, suppose you stay in Chinchwad, so it is a proper noun. If you have any pet animal and you have given any name to that pet, so that name will be a proper noun. Suppose you have a pet dog and you have named it Bruno. So Bruno will be the name of that animal and it will be a proper noun. Anything around you which have a particular name. Now you use pencils. So that pencil of which company, of Nataraj company or of Apsara company, so that name Apsara pencil, so Apsara becomes the noun of that particular thing, of that pencil, so it will come under proper noun. We'll see a few examples from the textbook. Arjuna was an excellent archer. So here Arjuna is underlined. Arjuna is name of a person, so it is a proper noun. Nepal is on the northern border of our country. Nepal is underlined and Nepal is the name, so it is a proper noun. Simba is a majestic lion. So Simba, name is given to the lion. So Simba becomes the proper noun. Number 4 is, we have a holiday this Friday. Friday is underlined. Why? Because it is a name of that particular day. Holiday is given on Friday. Okay, so that is why Friday will come under proper noun. Let us see a few facts about the proper nouns. Number 1, a proper noun always begins with a capital letter. Now see in these examples, all the proper nouns begin with capital letter. Even here when the word is at the end of the sentence, but still the letter F, the first letter is capital because it's a proper noun. So always the proper nouns begins with a capital letter. Point number 2 is, a proper noun could be made up of more than one word. If the proper nouns have small words such as of, the or and in them, then these words begin with small letters. Examples are given: the Gateway of India, the Atlantic Ocean, King George V, the Dal Lake, Mr. and Mrs. Iyer. So in these examples, there are more than one proper nouns. Gateway also and India, both have capital letters. Atlantic Ocean, both of them have capital letter. King George V, In between the is there, but still capital letter is used. Dal Lake, D and L capital letters are used. Same here, Mr. and Mrs. Iyer, M is capital, I is capital. So there can be one or more than one word proper nouns. I hope proper nouns are clear to you. I repeat once again, even you also repeat with me the definition of proper nouns. A proper noun is the name of a particular person, place, animal or thing. Shall we move on to the next topic? Common nouns. The word common itself tells us about the words which are used common for the nouns. We'll read the definition. A common noun is the name given in common to persons, place, animals or things of the same kind. We'll repeat once again. A common noun is the name given in common to persons, place, animals or things of the same class or kind. Now here in common nouns there is no particular name given to person, place, animal or thing. These words are used commonly. Let us see the examples. The girl sang softly. Girl is underlined. That girl, any name is given? No. There is no name given of that girl. So it is said that girl is a common noun. Number 2 is I was born in a village. Village is underlined. That village can be any village. Any particular name is not given. No name of the village is mentioned here. If name is mentioned, it will become proper noun. If no name is mentioned, then it will become common noun. Number 3, see. The tiger roared loudly. So the word tiger is underlined. It is an animal and no name of that particular animal is given. Only said that it is a tiger. So tiger will become common noun. Number 4, one day I was feeling quite sad. Which day? Any day is mentioned. One day. Okay, no name of that day is given. So day will become a common noun. No particular name of that day is mentioned. So it will come under a common noun. In the above sentences, the underlined words are common names of a class of people, places or things. They are known as common nouns. They refer to any person, place or thing and not to a particular person, place or thing. Some facts about proper and common nouns. Every proper noun has a corresponding common noun. And similarly, every common noun has a corresponding proper noun. What does it mean? Now see here. Columns are given to you. One column is of proper noun, another column is of common nouns. See the first example. Mrs. D'Souza. What it is? It is a proper noun. And what will be common noun for it? Mrs. D'Souza is a lady. She is a woman. So woman or lady will be the common noun for Mrs. D'Souza. Same for the next one. Adil Shah. Common noun for that, king or ruler. Number 3, Eknath. Who was Eknath? A saint. So saint will be the common noun. If in a sentence saint comes, it is a common noun because no name is mentioned. But if Eknath comes in the sentence, so Eknath is the proper noun because name is mentioned. Next is number 4, Chandragupta. Who was Chandragupta? A king. King is the common noun. Bangladesh. Bangladesh is a country. So country becomes the common noun. Bangladesh is the proper noun. See the right side columns. Mumbai is the name of a city. Common noun for Mumbai, city. Nasik, proper noun. Common noun, town. The Ganga, proper noun. River is the common noun. The Himalayas, common noun for that, mountains. Asia, what is Asia? A continent. So continent is common noun. Children, I hope you are following the difference between proper nouns and common nouns. See few more examples. Read along with me. August, month. Wednesday, day. Christmas, festival. Kabaddi, game. The Mahabharata, epic or religious book. The Taj Mahal, monument. The Parsis, community. Islam, religion. The Times of India, newspaper. The Deccan Queen, train. Now some common nouns are given and the corresponding proper nouns are given for them. Okay, shall we start reading? Read along with me. Scientist, Isaac Newton. Cricketer, Virat Kohli. Continent, Africa. Island, Nicobar. Planet, Mars. Dog, Tommy. Lake, Bihar. Dance, Manipuri. Subject, history. Language, French. Now children, what you have to do in your classwork book is make like this columns in your classwork, proper nouns and common nouns. On page 13 from 1 to 10. Okay, write down the common nouns, what is given in the book, and for them you have to write your own proper nouns. Give your own proper nouns. Okay, for example, you write women oblique lady, Mrs. Patil. Next one, King Akbar. So like this you can give names, give proper nouns to the common nouns mentioned in these columns number 1 to 10. This do it in the classwork. Then continue. Here also it is continued till number 20. Okay. So from 1 to 20 you have to write the common nouns what is given in the book. This is on page number 14. And you have to write your own proper nouns. Don't write these proper nouns. You write your own proper nouns. Now for this next one, common nouns. Again you write the same common nouns what is given here in the book 1 to 10 and you give them proper nouns on your own. Okay, followed? You have to write common nouns 1 to 10 what is given in the book, and for the common noun you have to write your own proper nouns. Got it? This you have to do it in the classwork. Now let us come to the exercise. Question 1. Underline the proper nouns and put a box around common nouns in the following sentences. Now here I have given the numbers according to your book, grammar book, what is mentioned in the book. First one is already solved for you. See the second one. Miss Sullivan gave Helen a doll. So Sullivan and Helen is proper nouns, so underline those proper nouns, and doll is the common noun. So put a box for it. Do it in the grammar book. Next one, number 10. Count the nights by stars, not by shadows. So here night, stars, shadows, these are the common nouns. No specific name or particular name is given for them. So they are common nouns. Put a box for them. Number 13. Hitler left the stadium before the match was over. So Hitler is name of a person. So underline Hitler and put box for stadium and match, because they are common nouns. No particular name of the stadium is given, or which match, no name is given. So put a box. They are common nouns. So same way you will solve the other statements what are given, other sentences. Similarly, you will solve question number 2, fill in the blanks with suitable common nouns. First one is done for you. Look into your books. Do it on your own. Question number 3, fill in the blanks with suitable proper nouns. This also your own information you have to write. So do it in the grammar book. I hope children you have followed the lesson, followed what is proper noun, what is common noun. Do it in the classwork, what columns I have told you, and complete the exercise in the grammar book. Thank you children. Have a nice day.